This video will demonstrate how to install a ray.lux electric opening roof light. First, check the dimensions of the upstand. This should match the size on your order confirmation. The upstand must be flat-topped and have a minimum 10-degree slope. This will reduce the risk of water ponding. With the glass roof light set aside, the opening frame can first be removed by unclipping from the hinges at 90 degrees to make installation simpler. Lift the opening edge 90 degrees and lift the opening frame vertically out of the hinge. Ensure that the PVC subframe fits securely onto the upstand with no unevenness. The subframe should be fixed securely to the upstand by means of 75 mm screws at max 300 mm centers and to all four sides. Use of a pilot hole may be beneficial, especially if installed by hand. The screw must be positioned into the groove around the perimeter. Ensure that the screw sits to the bottom of the groove to allow the glass roof light to be located correctly. Reinstall the opening frame by holding the hinges at 90 degrees and locating together. If the unit is to be opened electrically, the unit will be supplied with the upper and lower motor brackets pre-mounted to the opening frame and PVC upstand. Locate the actuator into the brackets and secure with the included pin and R-clip. Position the actuator into the lower bracket and insert the two pivot screws into the threaded end of the actuator and tighten. Connect the actuator in accordance with the wiring diagram supplied. Position the glass roof light so that the drainage slots on the frame are at the lowest part of the pitch to facilitate the water drainage. Center the glass roof light on the PVC profile. The glass roof light has an oval lock around the internal perimeter, which clicks into an oval groove. Click the roof light gradually onto the PVC profile. Using the provided security screws and drive bit, secure the window from the side and fasten it to the PVC profile with screws inserted through the roof light frame. Using pilot holes, space the screws around the full perimeter at max 300 mm spacing from each other and 80 to 100 mm in from each corner. Thread the screws into the screw cover cap base and screw into the provided marking groove in the side of the roof light frame. Then cover the screw heads with the provided caps. Make sure the roof light sits firmly in the PVC profile's lock. Finally, clip the drainage slot cover caps onto the drainage slots and remove any protective film from the roof light and PVC upstand. The ray.lux roof light is now fully installed and ready for use.